What's good, people? This is your program tutor, and today I am going to show you how to install XAMPP server on your Windows. So we are going to install XAMPP server because it's lightweight and cross-platform, and it's very much easy to use. And we are going to use it in order to design our websites using WordPress or for the backend which want to run it on server like the PHP codes or MySQL database. So for this I have just write on Google right here XAMPP and the first link here which says Apache Friends, just click on it and then we will be redirected to this page. It says XAMPP for Windows and Linux and OS. So we are going to click on downloads and then we are going to select the version which we need. So my computer is my computer is 64-bit, and as I am running a window as I am running Windows, so I will select this latest edition PHP 8 which has been released. PHP 8 has been released in the late of 2020. So I am clicking on downloads, so it started downloading. This will take some time. So this has been installed now. I will now click on open. Just click on open. This will take some time. Okay, now click on yes. Let's reduce this one, and this will take some time. So we will be provided with this warning, so this will not be much of a problem. So I'll click on OK here. Let's click on OK. Then this page will pop up, says welcome to XAMPP setup wizard. Now we will click on next, and then here all the files are selected. These all are important, so do not uncheck any of this. Just click on next here, no changes. And now I will install this on my root directory, which is my C drive. It will be easier to do works from there, so click on next here. Now I will select a language, it's English, so let's click on next. Now I don't want to learn more about, so I will uncheck this one. Okay, then let's click on next now. Right, we should take some time, and let's check here if something comes. No, now we'll click on next here again, so it has started installing. So you can see our XAMPP server has been set up. So there is a request going on, it says do you want to start the control panel. So I want to click on, so don't want to uncheck this one, and now I am clicking on finish. This will open the control panel now. So we have successfully installed our XAMPP control panel. So if you turn on this Apache and MySQL, then it should start. So let's click on here, let's start the servers, and let's click on MySQL. So this message will come, and just here click on allow access. So let's check this one. So you can see this message has suddenly popped up when we have started MySQL. So now what I want to do is just click on this one, check this one, because we want to work on the private networks and public networks. So now click on allow access. If you have a password, then it should ask for it, but anything else it should work. So okay, didn't ask for anything because we don't have a password provided for Windows. So okay, then you can see that our Apache and MySQL server has started. Now we can easily design our WordPress website on the local server using this one. And let's stop all of this. So you can see we have easily stopped this one. So if you like my video, and if you have learned anything new from here, so then click on that subscribe button, and just click on that notification bell icon to get more and more videos, and I will be posting more and more videos in it. And if you have watched my previous video which was on WordPress and Elementor, I want to say thank you so much for your support. And please, and those who haven't watched it, just go there and watch. You will learn something new from there. So I will see you later.